Good morning children. In today's class we are going to solve exercise 10.1, chapter number 10, exercise 10.1, page number 219. In previous class we learned the formulae, surface area and volumes formulae we learned. Those formulae in today's class we will apply. Clear children? Now first question is find the lateral surface area and total surface area of the following right prisms. He has given cube and cuboid in your textbook. First bit cube, second bit is cuboid. So I am solving first bit. See, this is cube. All sides are equal in this. This is A and this is also A. See, one side length you can say, breadth you can say, and this is height. All sides are equal, which is denoted by either A or L. Clear? So all sides he mentioned 4 centimeter, and he is asking find lateral surface and total surface. We know the formula. Lateral surface area of cube is 4A square, and 4A square is nothing but here 4 centimeter. This sides whatever he has given, that is. So we are substituting that 4 square, 4 into 4 square centimeter square, because area we measure in square unit. Here unit is centimeter. Clear children? 4 square means 4 into 4. So that's why 4 into 4 is 16. So 4 into 16 centimeter square. 16 4, 64. So lateral surface area of cube is 64 centimeter square. And he is asking total surface area also. Total surface area formula is 6A square. A is 4 centimeter. So we need to substitute 6 into 4 square. 4 square is 16. So 6 into 16 centimeter square. 6 into 16 is 96 children. Correct? 6 into 16 you multiply, you will get 96. Clear? 96 centimeter square. So total surface area we got and lateral surface area we got. Second bit you solve children. Clear? Now second question is the total surface area of a cube is 1350 square meter. Find its volume. He has given total surface area. Again he is talking about the cube. Total surface he mentioned. Volume is asking. Square is what children? How much space the object occupy. Correct? Volume is nothing but quantity, how much space that inside we can fill. So we need to find that. So total surface area of cube is he has given. What is formula children? Total surface area of cube is 6A square. So both will be equal because we are talking about one cube only. So that's why 6A square equal to 1350 square meter. A square you keep here. 6 if we send that side, that will come under division. Clear children? Now we need to cancel this. 6 1 6. 6 2's 12, remainder is 1, that become 15. Again 6 2's 12, remainder is 3, that become 30. 6 5's 30. So A square is 225 square meter. Square we don't want here, send that side. After another side it becomes square root. So A equal to square root of 225 square meter. Square root of 225 is 15. Otherwise you can, from here you can do in this way. A square is equal to 225 is nothing but 15 square. Both powers are the same, so bases will be equal. Like that also you can do. Or square if we send another side, that becomes square root. Clear children? So A is nothing but side of a cube, that is 15 meter. He is asking volume. Volume formula we have A cube. A cube is nothing but A into A 3 times. Clear children? So A is 15. So 15 into 15 into 15 we need to do. Volume we measure in cubic unit. So we are writing here cubic unit is here meter. So that's why cubic meter. 15 into 15 into 15 is 3375 cubic meter. Clear children? Volume of a cube. Now let's see one more problem. That is, how does the total surface area of a box change if each dimension is double? He is talking about cuboid children. Correct? Box is in cuboid shape. This is, you can say this is cuboid shape only, your eraser. See, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height of the cuboid. Clear? So if we change its dimensions are nothing but length, breadth and height. If we take double means 2 2. Correct? So total surface area of a box is nothing but total surface area of a cuboid. Formula is what children? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now he mentioned if we double it, so length will be 2L, breadth is 2B and height will be 2H, because he mentioned double, so double we are taking. Now after changing, what is the total surface area of a box? This formula 2 as it is. See, this is the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So this as it is into L is here 2L and breadth is 2B plus 2B into 2H plus 2H into 2L. Correct children? We are taking double. So 2 into 2 2's 4 LB, 2 into 2 4 BH plus 2 into 2 4 HL. Clear children? 4 we are taking out. because in all terms 4 is there, so we are taking out 4 into 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is nothing but total surface area of the original box, children. So 4 into total surface area of original box. So when we are taking the dimensions double, area is becoming 4 times. Clear, children? Now, so total surface area of box increased by 4 times. Second bit, under that only, each dimension is triple. Now we are taking 3 times each dimension. That means length is 3L, breadth is 3B, and height is 3H. So total surface area in formula, we are substituting this 2 into 3L into 3B plus 3B into 3H plus 3H into 3L. 3 is 9LB. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 3, 9. So 9LB plus 9BH plus 9HL. 9 we can take out common, children, because in all terms 9 is there. We are taking out common. So 9 into this 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. So this 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is nothing but total surface area of original box. So 9 into total surface area of original box. That means if we take triple, if we take 3 times each dimension, then area increased by 9 times. Clear, children? Understood this problem? Let's see one more problem we will solve. A regular square pyramid is 3 meter height and the perimeter of its base is 16 meter. Find the volume of the pyramid. He has given perimeter of the base. This is the pyramid shape, children. Base is in square shape. That means he has given perimeter of square. That is 4 into side. This 4 into side is nothing but 16 meters. Clear, children? So side 4 into side equal to 16 meters. Side you keep this side, 4 you send that side. That will come under division. 16 by 4. 4 ones 4, 4 4 16. So side we got 4 meter. Which side, children? Base side. Again I am telling, he mentioned perimeter of the base. He mentioned pyramid base is in square shape. This base perimeter he has given. Perimeter is nothing but sum of the length of these sides. That is nothing but square perimeter. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square formula is 4 into side. 4 into side he mentioned 16 meter. We are doing that. So side we got 4 meter. Clear, children? Now volume of pyramid formula is 1 by 3 into area of base into height. Clear, children? So 1 by 3 into area of base. So a base is in which shape, children? Square. So area of square we need to find into height. So 1 by 3 into area of square formula, side into side into this height as it is. So 1 by 3 into side is 4. So we are writing that only 4 into height he mentioned 3. Clear, children? So 1 by 3 into 4 into 4 into 3, it is volume. That's why we are writing cubic meter. Clear, children? 3 ones 3, 3 ones 3. Numerator and denominator get cancelled. So remaining things are 4 into 4. 4 into 4 cubic meter. 4 4 16. 16 cubic meter. So volume of pyramid is 16 cubic meter. Clear, children? So today's your homework is chapter 10, exercise 10.1, question number 3, 4, 6 and 8. It is easy, children. Whatever I explain in today's class, based on that only slight changes are there you need to solve. Clear?